in case if you are finding this error applying security failed to enumerate objects in the container, access is denied on any folder. So what you need to do is simply go to that file or folder, right click it and click on show more options and click on properties. And once this opens up, go to security, click on advanced. Here you need to go and click on owner, click on change. And now you need to go and click on advanced. Inside here, click on find now, and you'll see a lot of things here. You need to go and search for everyone. That would be E. So just scroll down a bit until you see the E, everyone. Click on OK. Click on OK. And once you have done so, click to go and click on auditing. Click on replace owner as subcontainer. And now also check mark this replace all child objects. Click on apply. It would ask for this. Click on yes. And depending on the number of files, it would take a bit of a time. And if the file is really smaller, it would be instant. Click on OK. Now click on OK. Click on OK. And your issue must be resolved. It is that simple. Hope this video has helped you out to fix the error applying security failed to enumerate objects in the container and access is denied. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.